Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're reviewing what might be the best thermal underwear set for men when it comes to moisture wicking, comfort, and cold weather performance. The WEERTI thermal underwear for men. Long johns with fleece-lined base layer. If you've been hunting for the perfect base layer to tackle winter, stay tuned. Let's dive right into why this set stands out. At first glance, the WEERTI thermal set looks like a basic black long johns combo. But there's a lot more going on underneath the surface. This set is crafted from a premium blend of 92% polyester and 8% spandex. That mix makes a big difference. Not only do you get excellent thermal insulation, but the added stretch ensures that your movements are never restricted. What really gives this set its edge is the ultra-soft fleece lining. The moment you put it on, you feel the difference. The fleece hugs your skin with a plush texture that's warm without being bulky. Whether you're heading out into frigid conditions or just trying to stay cozy indoors, the fleece lining delivers lasting comfort throughout the day. And speaking of all-day wear, this isn't the kind of thermal that you'll want to rip off after a few hours. The fabric is breathable and designed with moisture wicking technology that keeps you dry. That means no overheating, no sticky dampness under your clothes. Just a consistent, comfortable experience whether you're at home, in the office, hitting the gym, or spending time outdoors. One of the key features here is the four-way stretch fabric. This is what separates a good base layer from a great one. As you move, the material moves with you. There's no bunching, no riding up, no awkward readjusting. Whether you're skiing, working, or relaxing, this thermal set stays in place and keeps you warm. Odor control is another thoughtful detail. The fabric works to control sweat-induced odor, making this set perfect for anyone with an active lifestyle. You can wear it for hours and still feel fresh, something not all thermals can promise. Now, let's talk fit. This WEERTI set is available in sizes ranging from extra small to 4 extra large, ensuring there's an option for just about every body type. It's designed to be snug but not tight, fitting close to the skin without compressing. That makes it ideal as a layering piece, but it's also comfortable enough to wear as pajamas or loungewear when you're just relaxing at home. WEERTI has clearly designed this with versatility in mind. It functions as both performance gear and cozy indoor wear. The streamlined look and feel mean it won't bulk up your outerwear, and the sleek black color goes with just about everything. One more thing to note. This set is machine washable. That makes care and maintenance super easy, so you're not worried about special cleaning instructions after a long day out in the cold. In summary, the WEERTI thermal underwear for men with fleece-lined base layer offers warmth, softness, flexibility, and all-day comfort. It performs just as well in harsh outdoor weather as it does during quiet evenings indoors. If you're looking for an affordable yet high-quality base layer for winter, this set checks all the right boxes. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more hands-on product breakdowns, and let us know in the comments what cold weather gear you want us to test next. Stay warm, stay comfortable, and we'll see you in the next video.